This is Ella Howard, and in this short video I'd like to show you how to attach a rubric to a task, in this case to a discussion, which is something that I find not at all intuitive. So as much as I like Brightspace, they're killing me with this. So to do this, you want to go to Course Tools, and you want to open your discussions from this side. So these are for discussions, let's say you've already created, so I like to run through and build my discussions in the modules. You may have your own workflow, but to attach the rubrics, I found it's easiest for me to then go in and do it through this Course Tools area. So here in discussions, I can see this test discussion that I set up for the purpose of showing you this. So you have some options here. Now here you get the edit topic option, which you don't have in some of the other views. Sometimes you just see like edit, I don't know, topic in place or something like that. But here, when we do edit topic, now I get these magical tabs across the top. So these are the parts that make it work. So you can continue to edit in here, you can write things in here, you can modify more of this, but the trick is that here's where you set the restrictions. If you want to have a start and end date to it, I don't. But on the assessment tab, now this is where you can add this to your gradebook. You can also do that from the other view when you view it through the module, but you can also add the rubric. So here I've got my discussion rubric that I brought in from my other class. I'm going to add that. Now this rubric has been added, and this will allow me to go forward and assess those with the two connected. So in another video, I'll give you a more thorough discussion of, no I won't.